Determining Panther Parlor Profit Excel lesson. So here's what we're going to be doing in this lesson. Basically, we're going to pretend like you are planning a Panther Parlor and you have to purchase items. And so you purchase those items at a certain cost. You have to figure out if there's multiple items in whatever you purchase. You have to figure out how much does each individual item cost. And then you have to determine how much do you want to mark it up for, so that you got to raise the price of each item a little bit. That way you end up making profit. So we are going to use Excel to do all of the hard work for us, which is the math of it all. So, yep, that's the purpose. First thing we're going to do is we are going to open up our Excel desktop app. So if you're opening up a desktop app, that means it's installed on your computer. You're going to come down here to the bottom to the search bar. And I do have it. Nice. Here's your search bar. And in that search bar, as soon as you start typing in Excel, I'm on this old laptop at my house and it's super duper slow. But you should, hopefully yours is working faster than mine. You should get the app to pop up. Okay, I don't know what happened with mine, but as soon as you start typing in Excel, you should see it pop up in your Windows apps. You'll select Excel. It'll take you to this screen, and you are going to be opening a blank workbook. So you're going to go ahead and select this right here. And then once it opens up, this is what a blank Excel workbook looks like. Okay. First thing you always want to do as soon as you open up any document or file for that matter is always save it, put it where it belongs, and title it. So let's do that. We're going to come over here to File, and then you're going to click Save As. Or yours might save or Save As will work because this is the first time we're saving it. Either one. So I'm going to click Save As. You always want to save everything to your OneDrive. So locate your OneDrive. This is not my proper OneDrive, but that's okay. Go ahead and locate your OneDrive. Yours should say Little Miami Schools or something like that. And you're going to double click it. And that's going to open up your save menu. Again, make sure you're in your OneDrive. If you look up here at the top, you'll probably see a little blue cloud up there. That means you're in your OneDrive. That's the icon for that. So you're good to go. Next thing you want to do is you want to title it. You always want to title it yourself. Do not leave it the default title. We're just going to call this PP for Panther Parlor, PP. And then let's just call it Profit, Panther Parlor Profit. Okay, once you get that typed in there, you're going to go ahead and hit Save. It will automatically take you back to the workbook. If you look up here, you can see that it is titled properly, which means you did save it, so you're good to go. Next up, we are going to start adding in some of our labels. Yes, so we just did steps 1 and 2. We're going to label columns A through F. Before we do that, these individual guys, these are called cells. Your columns go up and down. They are vertical, and these are labeled by letters. So we have A, B, column G, so on and so forth. And then these are your rows. So if I said if I said row 9, you should know that we're referring to this row right here. Okay, so by default, these rows and columns are like short and skinny. So we need to expand them. If you want to expand every single column at the same time instead of doing it one by one, there's a little gray rectangle right here. It is above the 1 and to the left of the A. If you click that, that is the select all option. So you want to select the entire spreadsheet. It'll turn gray like mine did. Now you're going to go in between the A and B. You have to go in between the actual A and B. You cannot go down here in between. It has to be up here in the actual column headers. Your cursor will turn to that. I guess it kind of looks like a a plus sign with two arrows on the side. That means you're in the right spot. You're just going to click, hold it, and drag out some to expand the width, make those columns a little wider. So now we have more room to type in what we want to type. You are going to start off by, in this first column, that's called cell A1 because it's in column A, row 1. You just need to click on it. You don't have to see the cursor. As long as it's selected, you can type in it. You're going to start off, your first heading is going to be item. You should capitalize that, ITEM. And then you're going to hit the tab key. That will help you jump over a cell. Your next column label is going to be price. Okay, and then I am going to go ahead and fill out the rest so you don't have to watch me. And then I'll tell you when you need to fill yours out.